Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Iman and today I'll be showing you how to chop onions. Onions are a food that are the base of many Afghan dishes, and so it's important to know how to get familiar with this, not to get too emotionally attached. You may have some tears, and to prevent that, I always turn my exhaust fan on. If you don't have an exhaust fan, honestly, just take a little bit of time, open some windows to provide a nice breeze if you can, and if you can't do that, then take some intermittent breaks, open the refrigerator door and just stuff your face in it. It'll help decrease that kind of feeling of watery eyes that you may get. Okay, so first steps first, I want to make this process as easy as possible for you guys. I am just chopping off the top. I go straight down, right here, straight down. Just chop off the top and the bottom, that's it. Your mom may have a more refined way of doing this. I'm trying to make this as easy of a cooking experience for you as possible. With onions, usually the first outer shell may have some slight defect to it, so I take that off too. Just peel that off, and I cut this on top of a paper towel on my cutting board so that I can easily fold away this mess, toss it in the trash, and be done. Then I'm going to rinse this underwater and bring it back here to show you how to chop. All right, woof, I'm already getting emotional, guys. Those onion fumes are getting to me. And I don't have my exhaust fan on so that you can actually hear what I'm doing. But wow, I do not have the tolerance of my mother. Let's just say that. The best way to cut an onion is when you cut it in half. I just took it down, cut it straight down the middle. Either way, doesn't matter. Then when you look at the onion itself, it has these long ribs. You're gonna cut along those long ribs almost all the way to here, but not cut all the way through. That'll make it easier for you to hold and chop. So, see, I'm taking the knife about 3/4 of the way through the onion, chopping, but not getting this part cut at all. Curl my fingers, hold, and with a smooth up and down, like a rocking chair. That's it. That's what we're doing. See how easy that was? The onion didn't fall apart and go all over the place. This last part, I just take down and dice it nicely. For Afghan cooking, you usually want to have a nice average size diced chop. Not too huge chunky pieces, not super small. You don't have to worry, oh my god, I am emotionally attached. Wow, that just hit me all at once. Woo! Okay, hold on. Let me take a break and shove my head in the refrigerator and be back. 1 second. Okay, so like I showed you, we cut to 3/4 of the way along the long, where you see these lines going this way, you're gonna cut with them. Okay? Then curl your fingers so you don't cut them. Hold the edge and up and down, rocking. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Last little bit that's left that we didn't do, same thing, just like that. And there you have it. To have a nice size chop, I'll show you. This is about the size of your onion pieces after you've done that. This way, they will melt well into your food and they really become translucent and you won't notice them. If you do bigger slices than this, honestly, it may be harder to have them melt into your dish, which is crucial for Afghan cooking. I hope this helps you as you cook alongside this, since this is a foundational aspect of many of the dishes we'll be making here on Noshejaan. Oh, that's a tear. This is crucial. I hope you enjoy, and I hope this was helpful and instructive. Noshejaan to all the dishes that you make.